Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your password on the Amazon Shopping app or on the website. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am using the web browser version right now. However, the process is very similar, if not pretty much identical, on the mobile version as well. You will only have a few different buttons. You will have to access your menu in a different way. And on the mobile, it is usually, and I think it is in this case, just this three horizontal bars button, which will open up your general menu. And now this isn't the same button as on the PC. So just follow me and everything will be clear. Now, if you are on the PC, or on any browser version, what you want to do is go and hover over your accounts and lists button, and then you can click on account. However, you can achieve the same result by just clicking on the accounts and lists button, and it will take you to this here screen. This is pretty much your taskbar, your control panel, call it whatever you want. It is your account view pretty much. Now, what you want to do from here to change your password is, of course, go into login and security. Once you are here, you will have to enter your password again, just to make sure that you are the one operating this account. And once you're here, you will be able to check all of your options. Pretty much, you'll be able to check your name, your email, your primary phone number, which is pretty much needed for two-factor authentication. You can change a passkey, which is a fingerprint or PIN. You can enable two-step verification. You can recover your password or change things if your account was compromised. However, the way you can just flat out change your password is by going to the password tab, as you can see here, and just clicking edit. Here you'll be able to type in your current password to make sure that it's you operating this account again. Then you can enter your new password and re-enter that same password, and by clicking save changes, you will have saved your new password. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.